Jai Shri Ram. My name is Vashpati Mishra and I am here present to make a blog. And my blog topic is Who are Acharya in Vidya Bharati? Again, I repeat, who are Acharya in Vidya Bharati? Namaste friends. Have you ever wonderful who are the Acharya are in the Vidya Bharati education system? Today, we will explore the unique role these dedicated individuals play in shaping the minds and characters of thousands of students across India. Vidya Bharati is one of the biggest educational organizations in India, with thousands of seconds across the country. Its mission is not just to teach but to build character, instill patriotism and preserve Bharatiya culture and values. In this system, the teacher is not just an instructor. They are an Acharya, a mentor, a guide, a role model. What is the meaning of Acharya? The word Acharya comes from Sanskrit meaning one who practices with they preach. In Vidya Bharati, Acharya are expected to live the values they teach: honesty, discipline, spirituality, serve and patriotism. They are not just subject teacher, they are cultural torch bearer, moral mentors and spiritual companions for the students. What is the role and responsibilities of Acharya? Acharya have a multi-dimensional role. In academics teaching, they teach subjects like any other teacher, but with a nationalistic and value-based approach. In moral education, every Acharya leads by example, promoting humanity, service, honesty through their actions. In cultural nurturing, they engage students in yoga, prayers, festivals, and patriotic activities to keep our rich heritage alive. In mentorship, they act as mentors for both students and parents, ensuring overall character development. In Vidya Bharati, the bond between an Acharya and student is deeper than in most modern educational system, where Acharya's training. And what is the training of Acharya? To become an Acharya, one must undergo intensive training. This includes subject knowledge, physical fitness, Indian philosophy and history, life skills, leadership. They attend the Sanskar Kendra and Acharya Prashikshan Varg, special training camps that focus on their own personal and spiritual growth so they can better guide others. In conclusion, Acharya, the soul of Vidya Bharati, they are more than educators, they are sculptors for future citizens, guardians of culture, living examples of Indian values. So next time you hear the word Acharya, remember, it's not just a title, it's a commitment to shaping Bharat's future with wisdom, devotion and love. Vidya Bharati, Gyan bhi, Sanskar bhi. Jai Shri Ram.